Hello, everyone. I'd like to just share with you. Here is our Create Your Vision for 2017 workshop. We're here in Woodbridge, Connecticut, and I'm just going to show you the people that are really getting into their creativity for 2017, and they're all inspired and they're really busy. So let me just show you a little bit what they're doing. Hi, Amy. How you doing?
Great. Happy to be here.
Good. As you can see, everybody's busy creating their vision. What is your vision for 2017 is what I'd like to ask all of you. And if you haven't created your vision for 2017, you need to get it started immediately. It's the end of 2016 and you want to wrap it up with a great 2016. Here's Dawn, who's going through her magazines.
I got a lot of stuff. I don't know where to start, Tina.
Just start.
Here's one. Find your happy.
Exactly, with Oprah. Find your happy. So what are you doing to get your vision for 2017? So I want to just share with you, get it started, do something. It doesn't need to be perfect, but get your intentions out there. And that's really what you need to do. So just wanted to leave you with this. And I hope that all of you are focusing on what is your vision for 2017. So everybody have a great day, and thank you so much for coming.